This video training will introduce you to SAM textbook projects and discuss some of the features of this project type that differ from other SAM projects. Your MindTap learning path includes a variety of auto-graded projects that students complete live in the Microsoft Office applications. When you are looking at a module in the MindTap learning path, the first item you will see is the textbook project, followed by the module reading. Textbook projects are based on the narrative of your textbooks and are available to support the Illustrated Collection, the Shelley Cashman Collection, and the New Perspectives Collection. They were created at the request of many faculty who were concerned that students were not reading the textbook, and they offer a way to loosely grade the module readings. Let's walk through the steps that a student will take when completing a textbook project. The first thing you will notice is that most textbook projects are not compatible with Office for Mac. This is because these projects are based on the text narrative, which is written for the PC. If a project cannot be completed on a Mac, the student will see this message. Students are expected to either open their physical textbook, or they can launch the ebook from this page, from the learning path, or the full book app available in the MindTap app dock. Students will also download their unique starting file and any supporting files. Everything your students need to complete this project is located on this page. Students should disregard any instructions in the text narrative that ask them to create a new file or to access a file from another location. As a student works through the module reading, they will find a SAM download icon is presented. This indicates it is time for them to open their start file and begin the project. Students will follow the project steps in the book until they reach the SAM upload icon. At this point, students will return to their textbook project, where they will upload their file for grading. Students should check to make sure that their file matches what is presented on the screen and submit their file for grading. If allowed by the instructor, they will be able to view their graded summary report and study guide report. Now let's return to the earlier comment about most textbook projects not being compatible to students using a Mac. If this is a concern for your class, you have a few options. There are several other projects that can be assigned and support students using a Mac, so you may just skip assigning the textbook project in favor of another project that covers the learning objectives in the module. If ensuring that your students have read the text is your main concern, you may also consider assigning the project as credit or no credit. This will allow your Mac students to submit work, but not penalize them for not being able to complete each step. To do this, click on the Progress app in the app dock. Then, click on the Settings tab. Select Set Credit or No Credit. Next, enter the percentage where students will receive credit for completing the assignment. Students will receive 100% on their assignment if they score a 70 or higher in this example. Students scoring 69% or less will receive no credit or 0%. Select the assignments to apply this setting. Then, click Apply in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You can confirm that your setting was applied by seeing the C under the scoring method. Thank you for completing this video training on SAM textbook projects. For additional help or resources, please visit our training and support sites.